was gonna be cool and put on some space funds and get super galaxy for this episode, but your girl's lazy. Anywho, I'm giving you access to a ton of free galaxy printables. These took me forever. I made a ton of galaxy moons, I'm about to show you, and habit trackers. I suggest printing it on white paper, and I'm going to show you the rest in a second, and metallic paper. Okay, this is kind of half-assed because it's not a full page, but look how pretty this paper is. You get it at Walmart. It's the Nina cardstock metallic. It's like $5 for 24. Make sure to print it on photo paper, otherwise it might mess up, so you're welcome. I post videos every week about crafts, DIY, inspiration, and a few other things. I'm going to be even posting more printables soon, so make sure you subscribe. Here we go.